Good morning, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel, Marilet's World. We're here at CVS today for a new week of couponing starting August 30 to September 5. It's also my nephew Jacob's birthday. He's 8 years old. He's a great kid. Happy birthday, Jacob! Tita loves you. The postman delivers the inserts and weekly store circular midweek in my location, so I don't have any paper coupons with me. There's not a lot of deals on CVS app this week, so we're going to make a small transaction and still save a lot of money using digital coupons. The basic water are on sale for $2.79, and I got this 80 cents of CRT from the red box machine, making this 4-pack water $1.99. Hershey's miniature $2.99. You purchase one, you get one extra box. We'll get 2 of these. Using this $1 off 2 Hershey's pouches. Almay eye makeup remover $6.79. Use this $5 off Almay cosmetic CRT. The first store didn't have all the products I needed, so these are just the few things I picked up from there. For this transaction, I purchased just the basic purified water, Hershey's miniature bars, and Almay eye makeup remover. This is my receipt. All the CRTs applied, and I rolled 3 extra bucks. I paid $7.60 including tax. I got 1 extra box for purchasing Hershey's chocolate, making the final cost at $9.60. I went to another CVS store and got all the razors and oral care products. Here are the details. Colgate Optic White toothpaste. They are $3.49 each. When you purchase 2, you get 3 extra bucks. We'll get 2 of these. Colgate Total Mouthwash is $3.99. When you purchase 1, you get 2 extra bucks. You can do this 2 times. Gonna get 2 of these. Skintimate razors, they are $9.99. When you buy 1, you get the second one at 50% off, and when you purchase 2, you get 5 extra bucks. We'll get 2 of these. Venus non-disposable razor, it's on sale for $9.99. When you purchase 1, you get 3 extra bucks. We'll get 1 of these. Palmolive 10-ounce dish detergent is 99 cents each, so we're gonna get these. And ultra strength. So this is just one transaction. I've got 2 Colgate mouthwash, 2 Colgate toothpaste. There's a $3 off $12 purchase of Colgate products. I have these 3 digital coupons: $3 off 2 Colgate, $1 off Colgate toothpaste, and $1 off Colgate mouthwash. 2 Skintimate disposable razors. I'll use this $7 off 2 Chic or Skintimate razors. Venus non-disposable razors. I have these 5 of 20 any shape CRT and 2 Palmolive dish detergent. I'll be rolling some extra bucks on this transaction. This is everything on this transaction: oral care, razors, and dish detergent. This is my receipt. I used all digital coupons and rolled 13 extra bucks. I paid $12.79 including tax. I got 5 extra bucks for the Chic razors, 3 extra bucks for Gillette razor, 3 extra bucks for Colgate toothpaste, and 4 extra bucks for 2 Colgate mouthwash, making the final cost at $10.79. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos of couponing, DIY, restoration, and other food related videos, please remember to subscribe to my channel, Marilet's World, and check out my playlist. I'll see you on the next deal. Have a great day.